Hey you, quick question. How many cups of coffee have you had today? 1, 3? Or have you just accepted that exhaustion is your personality now? Here's the brutal truth. You're not tired because you don't sleep enough. You're tired because your brain is running an energy Ponzi scheme. Your mental energy is being stolen by tiny, invisible thieves. Your brain is spending power on useless things, and by the time you reach actual work, you're already running on fumes. Before you accept defeat and binge watch another productivity video, yes, I see you. Let's break down the 4 sneaky reasons you're always exhausted and how to fix them. Let's talk about your daily schedule, or, as I like to call it, the illusion of productivity. You wake up, check emails, scroll through notifications, answer a few Slack messages. Congrats! You've achieved nothing but somehow feel like you've been working. This is called the busyness shield, hiding behind fake work to avoid the real stuff. Meetings, notifications, and quick tasks are just distractions disguised as progress. Every pointless email or unnecessary task is an energy tax on your future self. Your brain loves fake productivity because it feels safe. Fix it with one rule. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. That meeting where you just sit and nod? No. That project you actually care about? Hell yes. Stop confusing busyness with real progress. Let's talk about your productivity tools. You know, that color-coded calendar that makes you feel like a CEO? That to-do list that haunts you at 2 a.m.? Here's the truth. Your tools are lying to you. You spend hours organizing your day, but never actually get things done. Your brain tricks you into thinking planning equals progress, but it's not. Your to-do list? It's a guilt trip in disguise. Here's the fix. Use the 5-second progress rule. Instead of overthinking a task, just start it for 5 seconds. Open the document. Write a sentence. Do something small. Bet you'll keep going. If your tools aren't helping you move forward, they're keeping you stuck. Your brain plays a dangerous game every day. Should I do this now? Or pretend it doesn't exist? Spoiler, you lose every time. Every tiny decision steals 3 hours of brain power. That's enough time to watch Titanic and still overthink life. Your brain is like a toddler with a credit card, spending energy on dumb things and regretting it later. Fix it with this. The hell yes or no rule. If something doesn't excite you or move you forward, it's an automatic no. Say a no to 3 things before breakfast. You'll feel like a rebel, but your brain will finally breathe. Ever let one tiny task spiral into a full-blown meltdown? That unread email? It's not an email, it's a ticking time bomb. The longer you ignore it, the bigger it gets in your head. Suddenly, you're rage texting your barista because they spelled your name wrong. Here's the fix. The 2-minute surrender rule. When stress starts building, set a 120-second timer. Reply to the email. Fix the typo. Just do the thing. 2 minutes is less time than you'll spend scrolling memes. Your future self will thank you. Let's recap. Busyness is a lie. Stop hiding behind fake work. Your productivity tools are tricking you. Just start instead of overplanning. Decision fatigue is draining you. Use the hell yes or no filter. Stress builds up over time. Use the 2-minute rule to break the cycle. Now over to you. Comment below. What's your number 1 energy leak? I'll reply with a fix. And if this video saved you at least 1 coffee's worth of energy, do me a favor. Smash the like button, subscribe, and let's banish burnout together. Oh, and one last thing. I just launched a special message for you where I share deep dive strategies, exclusive Q&As, and behind the scenes content. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.